So hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. If you wish to learn this, please stay tuned after my intro. Hello guys, we're going to go into the move right now. So first of all, you're going to take your right hand and put it on top of the chuck here. What you're then going to do is you're going to bring this in a circular motion underneath, from outside underneath to the inside of the leg. So you're going from the outside underneath to the inside of your leg, and it's going to plop on your leg like so. So in slow-mo, it will kind of look like this. Right, so hello guys. Right, for the second part of this move now, what you need to do, you need to grab your left hand and you need to trap this on the inside of your thigh. From here, if you notice how my hand's like a crocodile motion, I'm going to be slicing in underneath as this folds round underneath into this hand. So it's almost going to be going like that and eating the nunchuck, yeah? So one, push this through underneath and grab this like this underneath. So in slow-mo, part one and part two, this will look like this. Right, so what I want you to imagine is with this thumb roll, yeah, we're going to have our thumb angled out like this. So do you remember this L pattern? We're going to move our thumb from pointing at wall, so my thumb's pointing at the camera. This is going to allow, do you see, the nunchuck to be able to roll on this finger without being disturbed by your other fingers. If it is disturbed, well, this is going to happen. And it's going to fall on the floor. Or stuff like that. So you need to make sure, yeah, these fingers are out the way of this thumb, right? So we go 1, 2. Now we're going to turn our thumb down and then point it out and then go into this thumb roll, do you see? From there, once we've done the thumb roll, we're going to do a wrist roll after, like so, and then clutch it, right? So all in all, we go 1, 2, 3, boom. So in slow-mo, it'll look like this. So I hope this helps you out guys, and I'll see you again next time for another tutorial.